Hi, my name is Candace Junée, and I'm the founder of Six Figure Maven Weekend. I help women master their marketing and scale their businesses to six figures and beyond. Six Figure Maven Weekend is all about helping women overcome the self-doubt to get to six figures and give them the strategy that they need to actually build a six-figure business and the foundation for a multiple 6- and 7-figure business. If you weren't here at this year's Six Figure Maven Weekend, you definitely want to be at the next one.